Tindy TV.
In a garden far and wide, where morning dew likes to hide, little veggies love to play, wiggling softly every day. Carrot does a twirly spin, showing off her orange skin. Broccoli bounces side to side, with his green head full of pride. Dance, dance, veggie delight, swaying gently, oh so light. Wave your leaves, tap your toes, where the garden rhythm grows. Potato rolls with happy cheer, while corn pops up to clap and steer. Tomato hums a mellow tune, dancing under the silver moon. Dance, dance, veggie delight, under stars so soft and white. In the soil they sing and glow, moving peaceful, sweet and slow. Spin like a turnip, sway like a pea, even onions dance joyfully. They may cry a tear or two, but in their hearts the rhythm's true. Zucchini sways near pumpkin pie, waving leaves to fireflies. Together they all line the row, dancing where the moonbeams go. Dance, dance, veggie delight, in the hush of garden night. Soft and gentle, cool and kind, every veggie's got rhythm inside. So if you hear a rustle near, don't be scared, my little dear. It's just the veggies having fun.